Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another toast library inside the Vue 3. You can display error, notification, warning in various directions, bottom left, bottom right, bottom center. You will see all these toast notification messages you can display. So the name of the package is VueToastify, and if you just go to npmjs.com, just search for this package Vue 3 Toastify. This is actually the package and I've already installed it. So this is the command. It's almost got 23,000 weekly downloads. So they do offer their own website. You can check out their documentation. So vue3toastify.jsbridge.com, and so here you can get started. So I will show you the instruction how to get started. So after installing it, just inside your app.vue file we will have a template tag, and inside this we will have a various buttons. So first of all, show a default toast method, a button, and bind this on click listener to it. So when you click this, we will execute a method show default toast. So now inside our TypeScript script tag, we just need to import this package first of all. So we simply import this like this, which is coming from this Vue 3. Toastify. So once you import this, we also need to import its CSS file as well. So after that, we just need to export this component, the setup file, which will contain the definition from that function. So show default toast, it's a arrow function. So right here we define this, we simply call this toast, and here we pass this is a default toast like this. We pass the error message, and then the second argument, it takes an object auto close, so it basically closes after 2 seconds. And now we can return this. Basically just add this return statement, and we will return use this method show default toast. So if you refresh now, so what happens if I refresh, we have this. Now it's a default toast, it doesn't contain the success, the icon. It appears for 2 seconds and goes away. And now let's suppose if you also want to display a success callback, so you will say success, and this is a success toast, and then it also takes one other attribute is a position. You can say all these positions are supported, bottom left, bottom right. So let's suppose I choose the bottom center position. So now what happens, you will see that, so it appears like this. So all these positions are supported, and if I change it to warning, so it appears inside. So this warning icon will show. So all these icons will same goes with the error. So in this way you can show it. And lastly we have the info. So 4 types are there inside your toast notification. So it has various colors. So you can check out their documentation to read more about it. So positioning, I showed you various positions, how to customize it. So this was actually the tutorial guys on how to use this package inside Vue 3. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well. freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.